Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In today's video, we are going to share 5 different ways on how you can sell your handmade jewelry. The reason we are doing this video is because we have been receiving a lot of requests from our viewers. All of them have the same question. They all know how to make the jewelry now, but they don't know how to sell it. So I thought this little video of ours will definitely help a lot of you guys to sell your own handmade jewelry. Right, so first I would say the easiest way to showcase your collection would be through Facebook. So let's start with Facebook, which is one of the most popular social media that's used by each one of us in our daily life. Now, we have 5 options when it comes to Facebook. The first thing is very simple. You just start taking pictures of your creations and post it on your wall. This way, your creation will be seen by all those who are a part of your friend list. So the second one is by creating a page and posting the pictures in the page. The third one is similar to a page, but here what you do is you create a group and start adding people to that group and then share your creation. The fourth one is you can, whatever posts that you have posted on your wall or your page, you can share those posts in different groups. Now by doing so, your work or your creation will get more exposure and it will reach out to a wider audience. The fifth one is by setting up a shop on Facebook, which is fairly a new and a very good option. You can simply start posting pictures along with the prices, as that is a mandatory thing that has to be done if you are setting up a shop. Now whoever is interested in buying that product will inbox you or start a chat with you instantly. So that makes life easy for the seller and the buyer. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is WhatsApp, which is again the most popular application we use on a day-to-day basis. Now in WhatsApp, what you can do is create groups. I'm very sure you all have a friend circle, you all have colleagues. So you can just add everybody under one group and create a group where you can start sharing your handmade creations along with prices. So if anybody is interested, they will definitely place an order. Now, in case if you do not want the numbers to be mutually shared, you can create a broadcast group. The next option we have is to approach resellers or small shopkeepers around your place. Now, there are a lot of resellers who do sell the handmade jewelry, so you can just find such resellers, and if they're willing to purchase jewelry made by you, nothing like it. And the other option is by approaching the small shopkeeper around your place. You can just display your work or creations in that store. If he is willing to buy, you can go ahead with it. If not, you can also work on a commission basis and pay him commission on each and every sale he makes. The next option we have is setting up a stall in exhibitions. Of late, we have noticed that there are a lot of exhibitions going around in lot of corporate offices, malls and huge apartments. So you can contact people who organize such exhibitions and rent out a stall either for a day or two or even more, depends on how you want to take a call. Now in case if you cannot really afford the rent for the entire stall, there are options wherein you can share the stall with people. So this way you can showcase all your creations and I'm sure you will make a good sale. The last option we have is the marketplace websites. Now here we do have websites like Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, etc. Now such websites, the tax registration is mandatory. So unless and until you have a registered business, you cannot really start selling on such websites. So that becomes a little tricky here. But there are also sites like craftly.com and jungly.com wherein you do not need any kind of registration. that's tax registration. All you have to do is sign up on their website and set up a shop, and you can simply start selling. So these are the 5 simple ways that can help you sell the products. If you feel this video was helpful, please do give us a thumbs up, and if you have any more suggestions as to how we can sell jewelry, please do comment so that it can help the others as well. And thank you for watching.